Tonight is our biggest event of the fall. It is Family STEAM Night, and this year our theme is transportation. Originally was just a way to get families in and involved, give them a great academic evening together. STEAM is science, technology, engineering, art, and math. STEAM really helps them build their curiosity, their critical thinking, their creativity. Partnerships with the community is really important. Having them bring in resources to help our families stay connected to the community, of course, is important. And so Net RMA was so gracious to donate special items that the kids are going to get to take home today. And having their partnership is really important because it shows the families that the community really values their education and they really value STEAM learning and STEAM skills because they're gaining skills that are going to last a lifetime.